Hello. In the next few minutes, I'm going to show you how to relieve Achilles tendon pain and help heal Achilles tendonitis. Achilles tendonitis is a common injury for active people. It may resolve with a little rest, or it can last for weeks, months, or even years. In some cases, it can lead to tendon tears, which may require surgical repair. Pain usually begins as a mild ache at the back of the leg or just above the heel. The pain may increase after running, jumping, going upstairs, or even after walking. The pain can be so bad that one needs to stop exercising and sports. And Achilles tendonitis might cause a limp. Certain types of stretching and exercises help, but they may not be enough to resolve the issue. Medications are sometimes offered. Several years ago, I had a bad case of Achilles tendonitis on my right Achilles, and it prevented me from exercising. I was really unhappy with this. So I tried a couple different remedies. It didn't work. I consulted with a podiatrist, an orthopedic surgeon, and finally decided that I was going to get stem cell injections. As a last-ditch effort, before getting the injections, I thought I would try acupoint stimulation. I did, and I was so happy with the results. After a few weeks, I was back to exercising. And it is my wish for you that if you have Achilles tendonitis, that this will work for you and get you back to doing the type of exercise you'd like to do. In this video, I'm going to show you 3 acupuncture points that you can use to treat Achilles tendonitis. I'm also going to give you my top pick for an herbal formula to help your body handle inflammation. My name is Dr. Barrett. I'm a chiropractor, nutritionist, and herbalist. I've helped thousands of people live better naturally, and I want to help you too. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to be notified when more videos come out. The first point to treat Achilles tendonitis is liver 3. Liver 3 is known as the Great Rushing because it works so fast. In addition to helping Achilles tendonitis, liver 3 is traditionally used to help with gallbladder problems, high blood pressure, menstrual problems, urinary incontinence, and the physical discomforts related to stress. This point has been used for over 1,000 years to relieve epileptic fits, which points to its powerful effect on the nervous system. Liver 3 is located at the top of your foot. To locate liver 3, place your finger between your great toe and the toe next to it. Then move your finger towards your ankle till you're on the top of your foot. Notice that your finger is between 2 bones. Continue to move your finger up until it seems like those 2 bones meet. Then press in to find a spot that is sensitive, sore, tender, or painful. That is liver 3. Activate this point by rubbing it quickly 5 times. Take a break for a count of 5 and repeat 4 more times. It might look like this. Or if you have a Tei Shin, it might look like this. Now find and activate liver 3 on your right foot and repeat. During or shortly after stimulating liver 3, you might notice a sensation of heat or energy in your foot, leg, or pelvis. This is normal and therapeutic. The next point recommended for Achilles tendonitis is bladder 57. Bladder 57 is known as support the mountain because it helps you stand strong. Bladder 57 is located on the back of your calf muscle. To locate bladder 57, put your finger on your left Achilles tendon, like this. Then move up till you come to the belly of your calf muscle. Press in till you find a spot that is sensitive, sore, tender, or painful. That is bladder 57. You might have to check a little higher or a little lower. Activate bladder 57 by rubbing the area quickly 5 times. Take a break for a count of 5 and repeat 4 more times. It might look like this. Or if you have a Tei Shin, it might look like this. Now find bladder 57 on your right leg and repeat. I will demonstrate the most powerful acupuncture procedure for Achilles tendonitis in a moment. But first I want to tell you about Trauma Ease. Trauma Ease is a complex, balanced formula of 12 herbs that are often used to support normal healing after bumps, bruises, strains, and sprains. It is said to promote healing by supporting a healthy response to inflammation and healthy blood circulation. It is these same factors that work perfectly with the acupuncture points to support the healing of the Achilles tendon. The final and perhaps most powerful points for Achilles tendonitis are called Achilles points. Achilles points are outside the normal acupuncture pathways, and they're sometimes called the OES points, signifying the fact that you found the right spot. The treatment of Achilles points was first documented in the 7th century AD. To find an Achilles point, gently press in and around the area of pain to locate a point that is sensitive, sore, tender, or painful. That is an Achilles point. Activate this point by rubbing the area quickly 5 times, take a break for a count of 5, and repeat 4 more times. It might look like this. Or if you have a Tei Shin, it might look like this. Remember, when treating Achilles points, gentle stimulation is best. If you've been sidelined because of Achilles tendonitis, I suggest that twice a day you activate liver 3, the Great Rushing, gallbladder 57, support the mountain, and gently activate any Achilles points you can find. I also recommend taking 3 dropperfuls of Trauma Ease 3 times a day. A dropperful is the amount of fluid that fills the tube when the bulb is squeezed and released. The tube will be about 1/3 of the way full. And if you know someone with Achilles tendonitis, I recommend that you share this video with them. It is intended to get them back into the game and just might produce a miracle. Till next time, this is Dr. Barrett signing off, yours for health naturally.